Yeah, back here, the safe soldier. Let's have a look today on the Dukes of Hazzard. The car, of course, is generally the Dodge Charger from MPC. And you can see it's the huge big scale, 1:16 scale. And the photo is from a prototype model. And you can see there is no flag. Why not? Well, that's later. To be honest, I don't like MPC. The fit form of those cars are really not great. Quite terrible, to be honest. And if you can see also in the picture, the tires are really a disaster. They're way too much. Also the little ones, this is the 1:35 or something, yeah, 25 scale. Well, they're nice but not real good. They are all brandings from the re-releases from the Airfix generation, I almost say. Let's look at it inside. Damn it! This is the underside, the box, the underside. The engine, of course, decals, hollow tires. Strangely, it got Goodyear on it. I don't know why. Cannot remember that, to be honest. And a real huge thing, the real scale of the thing. This is the book. Yep, this is great. You can see it. Well, the building is maybe quite easy, but the fit form, I'm really terrible, scared, to be honest. Will it work? Okay, we have to use some fire or something. You can see some really simple steps. Here the engine. Normally you start with the engine, but here you can put it at the end of it. Here also this one, bend it out. Yeah. And well, that's great. I want to sell you something about it, but I don't do that. Look at it. My God, it's huge. It's bigger than my arm. That's the real thing. We also have a lot of plastic inside it, of course, underneath. Also elastic. Bing. And we have the decals. Okay. Oh, the Rebel flag is in it. That's great. Also some commercial. What is this? Okay. And yeah. Okay, we have also here are the wheels. That is my biggest problem. Look at it. It looks so unrealistic. Goodyear is on it. The cables are in it. That's great. The chrome parts. The engine, of course, and the tire, the wheels. Yep. Plastic parts, the interior things, the doors, the hood. Okay. And a lot of black parts. Yeah. Looks great. This looks a little bit too great. Yeah, you can see it's Tamiya or Revell won't sell you something like this. Look at how they press it together and then they put it in the bag. Things are some loose, you see it? Well, that's not great. And what have we now? The glass parts. Let's look at the glass parts. Okay, that's good. We have red from behind the lamps. Some glass. Yeah. Well, this is what you can expect from the MPC kit. It looks great, but when you look a little bit farther and you see, oh my God, what did they done? I'm going to build it one day, and then you will see the result. We have to spray the whole thing orange. This is what I like. It's really simple. This is the painting guide. How simple do you want it? Well, this is really simple, and that's great. Too bad the whole kit is a little bit too simple and too shitty, to be honest, but okay. But I really love this box art. It's all, you have to buy it all also for the box. It's great, man. This is a little thing, and this is the great thing. Well, I hope you love this this video or not. Make a comment and join my Facebook of course, the Safe Soldier on Facebook. And you know, normally I only do World War II things, but now I build also a little bit of cars and motorcycles. It's something new and I like that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, I see you next time for more videos. Okay, goodbye.